If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM OGIDI. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Please ensure that your complaint includes name of the broadcast station, title of the program, date and time of broadcast, and essence of the complaint. Also remember to include your name, address, telephone number, email, and append your signature. Note that the complaint must reach the NBC within 14 days of the queried broadcast. NBC, your right to quality broadcasting.
You're welcome back to Newspaper Headlines on Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers: The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Punch, Daily Post, The Nation, This Day, and if time permits, we are also going to take a look at the Nigerian Tribune. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-6579-6599. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper. Over 13 billion diverted from government coffers in September alone. ICPC. Over 13 billion naira diverted from government coffers in September alone. ICPC. 9 bodies recovered from Niger boat mishap. ASU gives federal government 35-day ultimatum on lingering crisis. US, Britain, Saudi Arabia celebrate Nigeria on independence anniversary. 9 bodies recovered from Niger boat mishap. We've taken this. Lagos condoles victims of Abule, Oshu road accident. Baba docked for allegedly stealing mattresses. Expert recommends penalties for engineers culpable of building collapse. Court remands man for allegedly raping daughter. Lagos impounds 241 unlicensed vehicles. Nasarawa fixes local government elections for November 2nd. Independence Day, Makinde urges Oyo residents to keep hope alive. Osoba, dignitaries celebrate Aina Raji's legacy at Odu Farewell. Group marks Independence Day with call to end violence against women. Still on the stories making the headlines on the Guardian newspaper this morning. Court dismisses Enugu Assemblies of God property suit. Lagos police operation causes gridlock on major road. EFCC arrests 21 suspects for internet fraud in Yola. Czech Republic to partner UI on development models for Nigeria. "60 bodies recovered from Niger boat mishap. Search continues. 150 rescued in Niger boat mishap, Nasema. Stephen Adebayo appointed as CEO of Reality Boss Assets Limited. 1 dies, 2 hospitalized during wide sign-out celebration at IMT Enugu. Nigeria at 64. Ayedatiwa grants clemency to 117 convicts. Lagos government targets 5,000 beneficiaries for federal government's livelihood support program DL 1.3. 10 die in Lagos Badagry road accident. Tinubu's speech, facts and fallacies. Protests, discontent mar Nigeria's 64th Independence Day celebration. Petrol import drops to 20.29 billion litres, says MBS. Jonathan Obi advocates strong institutions as Tinubu leads Independence Day celebration. IPOB raises alarm over IDP camps in Imo. ICPC recovers over 13 billion naira diverted from government coffers in 1 month. Subsidy uncertain as oil prices surge amid Iran-Israel conflict. Rivers local government polls. Fubara declares October 3rd, 4th public holidays. Enugu flares report on state's ease of doing business. Police deny detaining male suspect with females in cell. Police deny detaining male suspect with females in cell. Student dies, 2 injured during sign-out celebration in Enugu. And that's the much we can take from the Guardian newspaper this morning. You are listening to newspaper headlines on Ebeonadi 103.5 FM from the Guardian newspaper. We'll flip over to Leadership newspaper. Tertiary Education Trust Fund champions quality in project delivery. UBA post 401.3 5 billion naira profit before tax in H1, declares N2 interim dividend. Ilorin first female professor named as pioneer para varsity VC. Owa Onire community hails Abu Razak on project execution. Deputy Speaker Kalu condemns beheading of Abia couple, calls for probe. Calm. Reps reject CFR national honor for Speaker Abbas, demand GCON. Para approves construction of modern pottery at Dada Okelele community. Copyright. Court dismisses 500 million naira suit against KC e-money. Local government election bill will kill democracy. NMPP. Edo Guba KDI raises
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the first, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM OGIDI. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Nigerian